Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 12 Pro. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you can then release. Continue to hold. Alright, you click on that. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. There you guys go.